How to tape and mud drywall. Discover the varieties of drywall mud, from quick-setting dry powder to ready-to-use wet mud. Materials range from all-purpose mud to lightweight, all-purpose drywall mud. Uncover the types of drywall tape, including paper tape, fiberglass mesh tape, and perform tape. Each has its unique application and advantages. Preparation is critical. Gather your supplies, wear protective clothing, and use drop cloths to protect the surrounding area from dust. Apply mud to the joints and screw spots using a utility knife or paint scraper. This process fills the joints and covers the spots where screws attach drywall sheets to studs. Apply and smooth drywall tape over the mud in the joints. Use a utility knife to embed the tape into the mud, pushing out air bubbles in the process. Apply mud and tape to the corners and edges. Ensure all taped corners and edges have a consistent application of mud. Let the area dry overnight and then sand it. Apply a second coat of mud with a drywall knife. Wipe away excess mud and let it dry overnight. For the final coat of mud, opt for lightweight all-purpose or topping mud. Mix the mud with water to create a thinner consistency, then apply it with a drywall knife. Lastly, sand the taped and mudded drywall for a smooth finish. Use a pole sander and 120 grit paper to achieve a surface with no lines, ridges, or pinholes.